Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome you attend our online training. Where I am, I just finished the e-spring service. Okay, hi, good morning. 那我就走了。OK， 好，拜拜。谢谢啊，拜拜。It's okay， 没关系，我先离开。好，I just OK， 拜拜。好，拜拜。Okay, I just visit my customer place, do the e-spring service. Now I'm finished because changed the pipeline had problem and also changed the filter. Now I'm on the way go back home. So I think about I do the online training for you. Yesterday we talked about how to use the Facebook to the Amway business. Because Amway business is a global business, right? So global business, it's my car, okay. Amway is a global business, and now we are so lucky in this 21st century. We have wonderful. Oh, where is my key? Oh, here. We have wonderful tool. It's internet. So we use internet. We can do a lot of things. We can let Amway business become unlimited business. Unlimited. So as long as you know how to do. If you know how to do, of course, your Amway business will become unlimited. So today is part 3 about how to use the Facebook and how to use the Messenger. So if you remember what I say, you must be understand Messenger and the Facebook only is a tool. It's a fantastic tool. But when we do Amway business, you must be understand everything must be based on human being, human nature. So it doesn't mean you use the Facebook, you use the Messenger, you post the products on the Facebook, you post Amway information on Facebook, then people will buy product from you. Because this is not human nature. People, they don't know you. Who are you? You are a stranger in Facebook. How they will buy product from you? I think this is impossible. Maybe only a few, 1 or 2. But this is not Amway. So we only use the Facebook and the Messenger, try to become a bridge. We try to make friends, make people interesting, give people motivation. Then this is a chance we can share Amway business to them. So you must build a friendship first. Okay, the stranger is the biggest market in the world. Stranger is the biggest market in the world. But you know, today friends, yesterday is stranger. Today we are friends, but yesterday we are stranger. You see, we don't know each other before, but now we are friends. Amway friend, and also business partner, also family. We are brother sister. But I think maybe a few years ago we don't know each other. But now, if you can use the Facebook, make friendship, and make people trust you, make people like you, make people want to see you and believe you, then this is the right way. So please remember, Facebook only is a tool. Most important is your personal quality. So how to choose the nice picture, how to post the right sentence, how to let people feel warm. You carry me, you worry, you care, you take care of people. So if you are a good person, you are a right person, then you use the right tool, then your Amway business will double and double. Okay, now I want to share some of our skill. Before we share the skill is choose the nice, your personal photography, post in the Facebook, and then try to management your Facebook, look positive, look nice. Every your activity picture look nice, and when people see your lifestyle, people see your post, they're interesting. What are you doing? What is your business? What is the Amway? Okay, and also very important is try to make many Facebook friends. Try to make 5,000, and try to use your real name, and even before your name you write it down Amway, and don't need hide your Amway IBO, because do Amway you never lose your face. Amway is the #1 direct selling company in the world. So Amway, the background is very strong. You don't need feel shy. You don't feel lose your face. Because poor forever, we will lose our face. So Amway can make our business become nice and rich and rich. So I hope you understand. It's really fantastic business. So this is a skill, and also another skill. Yesterday I sharing. You try to make friendship. Say like. You push the like. So people, based on the human nature, is a two-way. Okay. One way is we don't know each other. We are stranger in Facebook. Yes, we are stranger in Facebook. So that's why, just like how we don't talk about the Facebook, we just think about how we can make friendship. How we can make friendship for our neighbor. So if you want to, your neighbor is very close to you. Very simple. Is first one, you can always smiling and look nice, and also you look nice, and also you can if you want to have power with your neighbor, your friendship, you need pay attention what you dress, what you talk, and a little bit makeup, and also smiling. And when you see people, you always say hi, good morning. You always smiling and say hello. Before stranger, they think about you say hi, they will say hi also. Just like every morning you see some people, hi, good morning, hi, good morning. They also feedback you, hi, good morning. Then if people smiling to you, after a few days, now is the time you can say hello. Maybe you can get more information from the stranger. So you can say, hi, what's your name? I always see you right here. You just say, before you say hi, before you want to get information, you always let people see you have good first impression. So when you say hi, she say hi. Finally, you have chance say talk more. Maybe can more easier can become a good friend. So same in Facebook, we just say like just hi. When people birthday, you just say birthday, Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, Happy Labor Day. Main one is Labor Day. So you always do this way. Then you will make friend, friendship first. Then when you make friendship, you have chance and talk to more in the Facebook. Then you just judge. You just see if people have good quality, the strangers have good quality. For example, very nice, very positive, very friendly, very warm. Okay, then you continue become more close friend. If this kind of a stranger, you make friend with them, finally you think about it's very negative, always judge people, maybe you just keep distance, then just become normal friend, not become close friend. You got it? So in Facebook also, if you always talk to people, messenger, if they are very positive, you check the Facebook, you see the Facebook very activity. The Facebook also look nice. Many people like. It means this kind of person, this kind of people is very nice quality. Then you can try to make more close. Okay, so if you make more close, then you can make decision. You want to you become friend, you make decision. You want to become more close or just keep distant. Not everybody must be close. Everybody, please understand. You do Amway business, no need look down yourself. People have good quality. People nice talk to you. Then you just become friend. People judge you. People look down you. Just say goodbye to them. Don't worry. You have 5,000 name list in Facebook, so you can delete the friend, Facebook friend. Maybe you don't have no communication. Maybe you don't want to become Facebook friend anymore. You just say goodbye to them. Then just continue edit more Facebook friend inside your Facebook, and try to become friend and the close friend. When you become close friend, and then you can check if the area is very near your place. Maybe you can invite them. Maybe go to shopping, meet each other. When you meet each other, first one, they already know you do Amway, diba? The second is you already talk to many in Facebook, it's already very close. Finally, you get together, you see each other, then you already have friendship and foundation. So when you make decision, you want to do demonstration, also show the Amway business, maybe they already very interested. They will accept because they open mind for you. They will open mind to Amway. Of course, some of them, maybe even you don't meet each of them, maybe you don't meet them, maybe they are very far. Maybe you living in Manila, they living in Iloilo, they living in Davao, Cebu. You cannot meet each other, but at least you can meet in Facebook. So when you become very close friend, you don't need talk to Amway, but you always post what you do in your Facebook. Maybe your friend, your close friend, Facebook friend, stranger, friend, normal friend, and close friend, finally, they are interested. If they ask you, what is Amway? If they ask you, what kind of products you selling? If they ask you, because you always post the product information, how good about the protein, how good about the connectivity. They are your close friend already. They believe you and trust you. When they ask you question, what is your products, what is Amway opportunity, what is Amway, this is a chance. This is a chance. Then you can present to them. Okay, so today's third part, we talk about how to use the Facebook. They have process. Okay, if you got my idea, you use this kind of process, you can make a lot of friends in Facebook. Tomorrow I already in Manila. If my signal is good, I will share to you about the platform. Tonight I will fly to Philippines with my 2 kids in Manila. Then we will transfer by airplane go to Cebu. So tomorrow morning I already in Manila. Then by airplane go to Cebu. So I think maybe 9 or 10 a.m. We already in Cebu in Philippines. So see you soon and God bless you. don't forget take your Nutrilite. Bye bye.